Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Mga kapuso, atong ilailahon ng Filipino scientist nga nakadaog sa prestihyosong Green Talents Awards sa Germany. Atong ilailahon this morning si Dr. Chosel Lawagon. Good morning, Dr. Chosel. Welcome diri sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta po kayo?
Okay lang po. Good morning din po, attorney.
Ato kining hisgutan, ma'am, no, ang Green Talents International Forum nga imong giapilan sa Germany. Can you share to us po what this is all about?
So the Green Talents Forum is actually hosted by the German Federal Ministry of Education and Research every year. So they host these Green Talents, an international forum for high potential in sustainable development to promote the international exchange of innovative green ideas within the field of sustainability. So the award actually honors young researchers from different countries in different scientific disciplines each year for their achievements and efforts to making their communities, countries, and societies more sustainable. So this is the Green Talents are actually selected by a jury of German experts. And the award winners are granted unique access to the country's research elite or the German research experts. Also, winners were given some opportunity to be part of the 2-week virtual science forum and even up to 3 months fully funded research stay in Germany or in any institution of our choice.
Pwede po ba nimo ma-share, Doc, ang imuhang project na imong gi-present sa mong international forum wherein isa siya sa mga 25 nga napilian out of all the 400 plus nga entries?
So actually, during the application, we were asked nga maghatag og details regarding sa mga sustainability projects na ginahimo namo sa mga field or sa mga country. So I actually discussed about specifically about 2 projects. Una is ang upcycling of agricultural waste through nanotechnology and its application in construction materials. So in our project, instead of letting these agricultural waste be left unused, so we are trying to convert these waste into valuable materials through nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is like making materials a lot smaller to harness more its power and its ability to complement many other things. So we convert these waste into valuable materials and then ginagamit na siya for improving concrete or any other construction materials.
Pila pud ba mo nga mga Pinoy ang na-appeal sa moong forum, ma'am, and how do you feel na ikaw ang nahimong representante sa Mindanao?
So actually, karon na year, there are 25 awardees chosen from 19 countries. And I am truly happy and blessed to have been chosen to be part of the Green Talents 2021 cohort. So I am actually the only awardee from the Philippines. And I am very honored and malipayon to be able to represent Mindanao, the Philippines, to the Green Talents 2021 forum po.
Along sa pagbuhat sa moong proyekto, Dr. Chosel, aduna pud ba kay mga struggles or mga challenges nga imong nagian?
So there are really several challenges. First is pandemic. So mobilizing people is really difficult. So especially nga pandemic time, so there can be really a lot of restrictions. Next is funding. So every research project always needs funding. That's why mapasalamatan mi sa Department of Science and Technology for funding some of our sustainability research projects.
Sa imong experience sa mong international forum, what was your biggest takeaway? Ug naapod ba yung mga best practices ang German government nga pwede pod nato i-replicate or himuon diri sa atong nasod?
So actually, first thing akong na jud is that the German research landscape is really, really amazing. Maybe because they are a first world country, but I think we can also do well. So they have actually several na funding institution, both private and public na nag-fund og researches, both basic, applied research na helpful sa community. And they are even also supporting their researchers, their scientists in upscaling their projects na from lab scale, ma-industrial scale siya para magamit yun sa community.
Aduna gyud nag-aspire na mahimong scientist sama nimo ma'am unsa man ang imong tips or advice alang kanila?
First is be passionate on something that you truly care. And be always willing to be mentored. Walay tao nga diretso naging expert or diretso naging hawd na scientist. So always find someone who can be a good mentor for you, both as a person, as a professional, or as a scientist.
I know daghan gyud kaayo nagsuporta sa imuhang journey dito sa international forum sa Germany. Is there any special person or individuals that you would like to thank and acknowledge? You may go ahead po.
I thank the Lord for His graciousness and the German government, the BMBF, for the opportunity to be part of the Green Talents 2021 cohort. It is truly validating and motivating at the same time. Also, I thank the Philippine Embassy in Germany for being really very supportive sa akong journey as Green Talents.
Daghan kaayong salamat Dr. Chosel ug unta daghan kaayo tag mga na-inspire karon ng mga promising scientists to help make this world a sustainable place. Thank you so much Dr. Chosel, amping pirmi. Sayong mga kapuso, takong garbo gayud dili lamang sa Mindanao kundi sa tibuok Pilipinas si Dr. Chosel Lawagon. Kay siya lang naman ang nag-inusarang Pilipino nga nakadawat sa Green Talent Award sa Germany. Busa mga kapuso, tambag niya sa mga kabataan na be passionate sa imong mga ginabuhat ug ang pinaka-importante, himuong sentro ang Ginoo sa tanan.
Samtang resi karong ginasaulog nato ang Indigenous Peoples Month, wala gayud nato gikalimtan ang ilahang papel sa kalambuan sa atong komunidad. Apan awhag lamang ni IP Focal Person sa CSWD nga si Ma'am Nena Lumandong nga likayan gayod ang diskriminasyon ug pagdaog-daog ngadto sa mga IP sanglit aduna sab silay mga katungod.
Busa mga kapuso, daghan pud kayo tag mga angay atangan sa Aura Best Expo 2021 hilabi na sa mga taga Cagayan de Oro City. Busa sa mga buot pud mo appeal sa maong expo, bisitahan lamang ninyo ang official website ng Aura Chamber sa www.aurachamber.ph.
Mga kapuso, na-inspire nakakaton kamo sa gi-share sa itong mga bisita karong buntaga. Sama na lang sa panultihon ni Elton John nga live for each second without hesitation. Mga kapuso, makita pagbalik ang atong episode pinagi sa pagbisita sa www.gmaregionaltv.com ug ayaw kalimot na mag-subscribe sa official YouTube channel sa GMA Regional TV.
See you tomorrow mga kapuso. Stay safe and healthy. Ako si Attorney Resi Rizada.
Kinisab si Cyril Chavez. Buong puso para sa Pilipino.